Hi guys, it's me, Ali Rose here, and today we're going to be learning how to do a one-handed cartwheel. But if you have your hair down like me, I think we need to tie it up. Now, there. All ready. Now, let's head on over. Before you start anything, you've got to check your surroundings. If there is anybody in front of you, behind you, either side of you, then you can either politely ask them to move, or you can move yourself. That's this. You can put one hand up and one hand on your waist, or the other way around, or you can put both hands up and quickly swap. So how we're going to start is toe pointed. You can have any toe pointed, it's your choice. And you can put hand up, hand to the side, and cartwheel. Still stumble a bit myself, because I just learned this. So in slow motion, like this. One hand down. More like a handstand. But in normal speed, just go like this. And that's how you do it. Well, actually, no, it's not. So, and remember, it doesn't matter whether your first time, if your kick isn't, if your legs aren't that straight, or if you fall on your bum. I did that a lot of times. And right now I'm teaching you guys. So you can easily, or if you have a trampoline, definitely practice on that. And if you can't even do a cartwheel yet, then just try doing a cartwheel first. Now, if you see, I even know how to. The only reason why I know how to do it is because I have a trampoline. And it took me a lot of time because I actually learned it by myself. That was a weird noise. Like this video if you thought that was a weird noise.